Most people get this wrong. They think Flex Advance is just a typical payday or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early access to earned wages split payment options and helpful financial tools all on one platform. When used responsibly, it can help you cover short-term expenses without creating long-term debt. Here's how Flex Advance works. You can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. Eligible purchases can also be split into smaller installments over a few weeks. Instead of charging high interest, Flex Advance uses a flat fee per advance or payment, so you always know what you owe. Flex Advance also provides dashboards, notifications, and repayment reminders to help track your spending and stay on top of your finances. The downside: overusing Flex Advance can be expensive. Repeated advances or missed payments add up quickly, and relying too heavily on the app may hide underlying financial challenges. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only take advances you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders for upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on advances. Who should use Flex Advance? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing bigger purchases. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is weak, Flex Advance could cost more than it saves. In conclusion, Flex Advance in 2026 can be a practical tool, but only when used wisely. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest financial reviews and actionable money tips.